Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola. This is where I pretty much document educational content and every single thing I know about trading that could help you and I grow together. So today's video I will be sharing with you how I traded particular directional buyers of the market here, and how I was able to stack position. I didn't stack anyhow. I stack with a particular motive. I saw something that made me stuck. I didn't just, oh, I'm going to since the market is low, I'm going to place another trade. No, I didn't do that. So on this video I'm going to be breaking down how I took that trade, and what I saw that made me take that particular, made me keep holding and keep placing positions. And I hope this video will help you at the end. So let's get into that. And before that, I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about my next video. I'm going to be giving you more insights about NeuroTrader. But if you're not trading with NeuroTrader, NeuroTrader is mainly for beginners that don't have funds. Let's say, oh, I don't have funds to trade, but with NeuroTrader you can have an account for as low as 8,900, like 8,900 for a 200k account. And also, not just that, every Friday they pay particularly once a discount that could help you probably reduce the money a little bit. Instead of paying it's 8,900, you can pay lesser. Do you understand? And from there you pass the phase 1, phase 2, you get funded, you apply for KYC, then you get funded too. Do you understand? I'm not just telling you because I want you to buy the prof. I'm telling you because I have used it and I'm still using it and I've gotten payouts. So that's what I'm telling you. So you could you could buy and not just say, oh, capital is a problem, capital is a problem. You can start with something. You can start with absolutely something. There's no how you not have 8,900 or even less. That's why you can always look forward to that Friday discount, and just start with something. Start with 8,900, and from there you can try scaling up. From there you could get a dollar account. Do you understand? So secondly, I wanted to say something else again. I have a Telegram channel, a free Telegram channel where I share all my setup and all of that. The link is also going to be in the description. The link for the NeuroTrader is also going to be in the description below. I also have a VIP signal group. That VIP signal group is a monthly signal group, a monthly VIP signal group where you can subscribe with just 10,000 naira. You get access to my VIP signal group where I pretty much share setup, my trade setup, quality trade setup, 2-3 trades a week. If you want more details, you can DM me. I'm going to drop all my social handles there. You can DM me or you can ask a question on the comment section. I will pretty much answer them. Signal group is 10,000 naira monthly. 10,000 naira monthly, and if you want to pay in dollar, is $9 monthly. The VIP signal group is simply for those that want my signal, that always want my signal, that want quality signal. So whenever I want to call trades and that's it. Is more than a signal group. Actually, that signal group is more than a signal group. It's where we could I'm not sharing ideas with anybody in that signal group. Where I drop trades, I tell you what lot size to use. I show you how to calculate your lot size in that signal group, and I show you why I am taking that trade. That is what the signal group is for. I'm telling you why I'm taking this trade. I'm not just dropping the trade for you to take random. No, I'm telling you why I am taking that particular trade. One, I'm telling you what lot size to you. I'm showing you how to calculate your lot size with your account size. 2, and all of that. So let's pretty much go into this video so I don't bore you with all of those things. Let me pretty much go into what we have for today and get started. Thank you. So this was a trade I was trying to say I caught. So this was the trade I caught. I took on a position. This was where I caught the trade from a neckline break. I saw a retracement down here. I took the trade. I saw another retracement, added another position. Price came down to touch this point, and then in that position there was a neckline break here. If you notice, there was a neckline break here. I added on that position. I entered again. I was able to spot liquidity, and I entered from the break of structure here. Then price was able to sell. After price got to this key zone, it was able to sell down. Then I entered again because I know price was still going to come out with text there. Entered, I sold to this point, enter again. So I'm going to explain how I entered. I didn't just enter randomly. It all started from the sell. So before I go into that, I went to, before I even started saying I want to enter any trade, First of all, price was bullish. Yeah. So I went to the daily time frame. I'm going to clear my chart now so I could explain everything from details. Yeah. So now my chart is cleared. Went to my 4 hours time frame. This was this was where I took the sell from that I started buying. Okay. So when I realized that price was bullish, I think this was where I took the trade from. No, March, April, May, why? Okay, this was where I took the trade from. I took the sell to this point. Yeah. This is right. Okay. So, but that was the first drop ever. I took a sell from here, first of all. I took a sell from this point. A sell from here. Sell from here. There, I wanted to take the buy too. So I entered from a neckline break. Yeah, I entered from a neckline break. I took the buy from a neckline break, which was here. That was how I started catching it though. Yeah. So I think the price was bullish, and there was just a minor retracement to fill up the gap, and price was still bullish. So I took a neckline zone from here. At that point, I already mark out this point, like this sell point that I took myself from. Then when I took the buy from here, I saw another opportunity to take more buys. Another opportunity to take more buys here. I took another buy here. There was another opportunity here to take more buys. Sorry, to take more buys there. Took another opportunity to take more buys. There was also another opportunity to take more buys. There was this price book in neckline here. Price book in neckline here. Neckline zone here. So I had to I had to target this point to take another buy from here. Now, and while I was taking this, I didn't know that my stop loss was not more than 30 pips. I was aiming nothing more than 30 pips. I was aiming nothing more than 30 pips, 30 pips. I took another buy from here. Price came. I think I price took another price came down. I still think I took another buy from there. But at this point, I did probably left the trade. Then the next day, I came again. I saw another opportunity. Price got here. It came down again. I took another buy. That was the next day. Price came. I took another opportunity here to buy. So I just kept buying because price was bullish. So that was the only way I could, I could trade. There was no bearish trend. It was when price finally took out this. I was also aiming to sell at this key zone. So there was also an opportunity to buy here. So I just kept stacking. So let's assume you were stacking, you know. This is like this one is 1:3. This is 1:3, 1:3. If you had stacked from this point to for me, I wanted to I didn't want to hold for low. I just wanted to day trade. This is like 1:4. You know, imagine risking 5k here, 5k here, 5k. That's almost like 20k. You just pass your Naira trader account in few minutes. Now you just pass your Naira trader account in few minutes. So first of all, what prompted me to took a good look at this chart was I took a sell here and I realized that price was still bullish and there were more opportunity for buys. So I took
one particular trade here. I saw opportunity to take more buys. I took another one here. I opened another position. I opened another, stack another position here, stack another one, and I did stack another one here because I know price was still going to come down. I stacked another one here. I was not risking more than what I could afford to lose. So my profit here is covering me from here. My profit here is already covering me from here, At some point I took partials. I also shared this trade to my Telegram channel, and I also shared this sell was a fundamental, right? I already placed my trade. I didn't place trade on this USD. I placed the trade on US. So I didn't place trade on this GPGPY. I placed the trade on my USD, and before I came back, I shared the setup on my Telegram channel. This is the trade I currently shared, and we have almost 40 subscribers. We have almost 40 people that are currently um taking our signals. And also, if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description below. So just click in and join. To join our Telegram channel is just $9 and 10k. So I'm trying to show you guys where I took that trade from the GPGPY. Yeah, GPGPY. So every trade I took, I was showing them on the channel. Or did I not post that GPGPY? I posted the trade here. Okay, look at it here. This was the opportunity. I was like, oh, taking GPGPY by price is bullish. Buys opportunity are still up. So look at where I took the trade. You see, this was where I took the trade. You can see this was where I took the trade. So for you to join my Telegram, by eating so much, well, you can see from my own trade, you can see that I'm eating so much. I'm eating so well in that trade. So to join my Telegram channel, I share premium setup, and also to join my VIP, just 10k in naira. In dollars is 9k. $9, sorry, it's $9. You know how to trade and you don't have funds. You can start with Naira Trader. You don't have to like wait till you have this. You can start small. Always start small. You don't have to start big. You can start with a $200, 200k account. Sorry, 200k Naira account, which is for as low as 9k. Or almost 9k, which is 8,900. You can start with that, or you can start with the 400. There's 400, there's 600. That's the profile I use, and you could register with the platform I use. I told you they pay. If you check my Telegram channel, you see payment in progress. They pay. They've paid me. They're paying me for trading with them. Do you understand? I'm getting paid to trade with them. So I want you also to get paid to trade with them. And also you can follow me on all social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Snap. I'm going to drop all my details here. Follow me, let's trade together, let's make money together, let's grow together. And also if you have any question concerning this setup I just explained, you could reach out to me. You could send a message to me. You can comment section. So if there's any question here, I just wanted to show you guys how I took this buy and what made me take the buy. There was opportunity to buy, price was bullish, price kept creating more opportunity to enter more positions, stack more positions. And when you're stacking more positions, you don't over risk your account. You always risk with proper risk management. If I'm risking 5k here in my 200k account, I'll risk 2k, 1k, 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 because I want, like, everything must not be more than 10k. I'm not okay for at least anyhow, and if things shall go bad, I will not lose more than 10k in my 200k account. So that I know that, okay, if I lose 10k, 40k is still remaining for me to like still try and make sure that I don't lose 40k and try and make sure I pass the account. You get? So that's what it entails. I hope I'm able to like convince you and not confuse you. So join my Telegram channel, join my VIP signal group, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you've not subscribed, if you've gotten up to this moment and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click the subscribe button, like, share, and follow for more tip, more content, more more entertaining content, more educational content, and let's do this more and more again. Thank you.